Calico on Crypto here. Thanks for tuning in. This video here is going to be about Ripple and XRP. It's a quick piece. A lot of people know that the SEC, they lost against Ripple. Okay, so XRP is not a security. I don't believe that they're gonna have to Brad Garlinghouse and the other dude. They don't have to pay anything to the SEC, any like damages or anything. I think they're just going their separate ways. Case is closed, right? So a lot of people, I'm looking at these videos, are talking about you can invest in Ripple. You can buy some Ripple if you go to Link2, which is the website that I'm on. But they're not telling you a piece of information that everybody should know. Okay, a lot of the people that are in crypto are retail investors. Okay, so you know they just buy and hold. Usually, they're not really day trading like that. So I imagine if you're watching this video, you own some XRP, a few bags of XRP, which is great. And you maybe have been thinking about buying some Ripple, right? Ripple stock. Again, they're trying to go public, but they're not public just yet. But here's what you have to understand. If you sign up for this website, Link2, whatever, right? In order to invest in Ripple, okay, you can do it here. You can buy some shares here, and of other companies too, as you can see, Uphold, PolySign, Zipline. I think PolySign is associated with Ripple, XRP, Circle, which is USDC. As you can see, they have quite a few things here. So, but here's what you have to understand. If you are going to invest in Ripple, you look at it, you're like, oh wow, $57 per share? Dude, I can buy 2 shares today. Again, retail investors are not playing with thousands, okay? If you click on it here, you'll see it is available. You can invest in it, right? It was a bit cheaper a few months ago. I think even last year. It was a bit cheaper here, even last year. I don't remember the price, but it was way cheaper. But here's the deal. You cannot buy 1 share. You cannot buy 2 shares. You have to buy, as you can see here, the minimum order is 44 shares, which is $2,539.24. That's how much you can, after you complete your profile and everything, that's how much you can purchase. That is the minimum order. You see what I'm saying? So for a lot of people, it's not attainable, right? People, average American doesn't even have $2,000 in their bank account, let alone 2,500. But as you can see here, that's how much you need to buy and invest in Ripple right now. Of course, though, once Ripple IPOs and goes public, right? You know what I'm saying? And they get on the stock market, as you know, then at that point you can buy half a share, 1 share, 2 shares, 3, whatever, kind of like Coinbase. Once it went live, then you can buy the shares and whatnot. But as of right now, you need 2,500 in order to invest in Ripple. So that's just something to keep in mind. You know what I'm saying? That's something you got to keep in mind. So it's not just easily attainable. Okay, there's an entrance fee of 2,500 for that $57 share price. And again, when it goes public, who knows what's going to happen? It may skyrocket. It may just dump. We have no idea. But that's just something to keep in mind. Again, you can go to this website, link2.com. You can register and whatever, and then you can kind of just look around and see what exactly they have to offer. You know what I'm saying? For example, say Uphold. You want some Uphold. Again, this the minimum share price here, 2,500. Let me see. Let's see if we can even find a cheap one. Let's see. Let's go to these guys. Say you want to get into Link2, 2,500. You see what I'm saying? So again, Ledger, that's sold out. Let's see here. Let's go to something that you may know. It's just for fun. BitPay. I've done some videos on BitPay. Oh, I need 217 shares, 2,500. Yeah, I'm not doing that. You see what I'm saying? So that's just something to consider. Just want to show you guys that. Either way, man, crypto's here to stay no matter what they say. Get those bags.